Good morning, KP. It's Miss Perkins again. So here we are. We're going to do our calendar. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. That's right. So yesterday was a holiday called Patriots Day. So we didn't do any filming or send you any videos or anything because it was a holiday. So I also want you to see that up here I have words called yesterday in red, today to match today is, and tomorrow, because we had Patriots Day yesterday, and tomorrow will be Earth Day. It matches here, Earth Month, Earth Day, two different colors for the Earth. Okay, so I thought it would be fun to do yesterday, today, tomorrow. Now back to the regular. Today is Tuesday already. The month, April 21st. That's how we say it, right? 2020. Now on to the no school days. You know that we've been counting on from the number 13. Here we go. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, skipped Patriots Day to make it 26. That's right, 26 no school days. So today I'm going to read you the morning message and I'm going to show you a few things. So here we go. Today is Tuesday, April 21st, 2020. We have been learning about taking care of the earth. That's right. We will be reading a new book during our Zoom video chat later this morning. It is called 10 Things I Can Do to Help My World. I'm going to be reading this to you later today, and it's a great new book that I have. I'm excited about that. But because you already know so much about taking care of the earth, we've been doing it last week in our menu, and this week, if you've already checked it out, we're doing a lot of things in our menu as well. But what I'd like you to do is to please write in your journal or in the paper that I've attached at least one way that you can help the earth. And so I want you to draw a picture to represent your idea, and I look forward to hearing your clever and creative ideas during our Zoom chat later today. Love the KP teachers. So try to have that ready for when we come together later. So I have some things here that I'm going to show you. The first one is going to go along with the morning message that I just read to you. So with the 10 things that I can do to help my world, right? I'm going to pick one right now that I always show my classes. And it actually reminds me very much of a movie that many of you might have seen called Happy Feet, right? With the penguins. And do you remember that during that movie, there's something that gets stuck around one of the penguins' necks, right? And he's always going around, and he could get strangled. The poor thing toward the end almost gets strangled by, you know what that is? That holds bottles. So something you might buy, whether we at home here, we buy Gatorade sometimes. So these hold the tops of the Gatorades in, right? So some of you might buy some sort of a juice or maybe a soda. And if you have these and you take them off and you just put them in the trash, guess what? It can get stuck around any bird's neck. So normally if we were in school, I usually save for a whole year. And I had pretty much just saved up to about a year's worth for when we were going to be starting our Earth unit. And I would have brought them in for all of you. But if you have them at home, your new job is to make sure you're cutting them. Okay? So the key to this, to get it not stuck on a bird's neck, is you need to cut every part with a hole. So, for example, cutting that, but guess what? The handle part is another hole. Got to get rid of it. If there are any little holes, got to get those too, because I don't see another one there. Guess what? There are bigger birds and smaller birds. So you really want to make sure that you're getting every one cut. And then of course, there's another little one there. You will recycle it when you're all done. All right. Oh, one more little one. So please keep in mind that that's something that not a lot of people think about often. But I have read articles about this, and I love to save the birds. So I hope you'll help me in my effort to save the birds and be cutting the holes of the plastic rims that hold soda or juice or something. Okay, so let's save the penguins. All right, that was one thing I wanted to show you. Another thing is, I have a jar here. This is something I usually start at school in the midwinter. And I didn't get a chance to do that with you guys this year. So this jar looks very much like the one I keep at school. It's going to be called an estimation jar. Estimation. That word means you're going to make a thoughtful guess. How many, and you know what is in here? Cubes. You recognize cubes, right? So, can't count them. I can't go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, I have to. Is there one in there? No. Are there 100? Probably not. So, you're going to be thinking of a thoughtful guess. How many do you think are in this jar? And a couple of times a week, we'll reveal how many of what item. It's going to change all the time. This time it was cubes. The next time it might be something else. You never know what I'm going to collect inside the jar or what the number is going to be. So it's a really good way to get you thinking mathematically. So estimation, thoughtful guess, be thinking about that. Okay, I look forward to seeing you later today for our Zoom chat again. And you'll see some of these materials when I see you then.